Also by the market, we used to go down there to buy fresh provision like dasheen, cucumber, and all of those.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
What's up guys, it's your girl Shakima, and today I'm back again with another video. And today guys, for you I'm going to make a smoked meat broth. It's something like soup, but it's not really soup, it's in between. So I get this here, the smoked meat from Dominica. Yes, as you can see there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in some water to boil. I'm going to boil it a little bit, and then just to boil off like anything that is on it, not supposed to be on it, something like so. I'm just going to boil it off a little bit, and then I'm going to slice it up, and then you will see how I do it. So stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Tell a friend about this video. Subscribe to my YouTube and my Facebook channel, and yeah, so stay tuned. So in this broth I'm going to add some pumpkin, some carrot, some chocho, otherwise known as Christophane. I'm going to put a little piece of tomato, potato, sweet potato inside it. Correct myself, it's because I eat that sandwich this morning. My mind is on tomato. Yeah, and I'm going to add a lot of garlic inside it. I'm going to put also some peppers in it, because you cannot have broth without a little pepper inside it. I'm going to add some Maggi inside it. I'm going to also put scallion and thyme also in it. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I finished to take it out of its casing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just put it on the fire to boil. I already rinsed it off sometimes already, like around 3 times. So now I'm going to put it on the stove so it can boil. Okay guys, so I'm just adding all the veggies to this pot here. I leave back some of the water from what I boil it off in, and I just add the veggie to it, and I'm going to leave this to start to boil. Okay guys, so I just slice up the meat, so I'm going to add it to this bowl, and I'm going to add it back to the pot.
I got it, Mommy.
So as you can see guys, it's boiling already. So I'm just going to add the meat to the pot. Okay, you can see like that, and we're going to season it up now. So I'm just stirring it up now. You see all those veggies inside it, and now is the time I'm going to add my thyme, my scallion, my garlic to the pot, and I'm going to also add a cube of Maggi. So what I'm going to do, I'm adding a cube of Maggi to the pot. I'm just crushing it out, and I'm going to add a Scotch bonnet pepper also to the pot. I'm going to add a dash of black pepper also. Going to add my favorite complete season. Not too much, because remember the smoked meat already have the season already inside it, so we're not going to put too much of season in this one. And you know something, normally I did see they put spinach dumpling inside it, but I feel like I want a couple pieces of dumpling inside mine, so I'm just going to add a little bit to it for myself. Okay, so I'm just adding my spinach to it, just like that. Yeah, look how delicious this looking. Lovely, right? Okay, so I'm going to leave this to cook about 25 minutes more. Yeah, and then it will be ready. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's finished. It's finished. Remember I tell you I was going to put the spinach? I put a little bit of spinach inside it for myself, because normally they don't put it inside it, but I want it inside it for me, so that is the reason why I put it. But guys, come on, you should have smell vision. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that inside the pot. Yes, I back in Dominica. I went to Dominica in 2015 with my daughter for vacation, and I really enjoy it. And my child father buy this, I don't know if it's soup or broth or what, but he buy it at a shop, a little corner shop in Roseau. That's where it was selling, and we went there the day and he bought this, and oh my god, from since then I want to create my own take on it, and today I finally get a chance to do it, and I'm feeling so happy. I'm feeling so blessed. Yes, I'm feeling good. This just take me straight back to Dominica in Roseau. Dominica is a beautiful island, guys. Beautiful. When I tell you it's beautiful, it's so beautiful down there, and everything is fresh and nice. I can't wait to go back down there with the kids to show them their background, where their father come from, and all the Dominica tradition. I cannot wait to go back so they could see what it's like, you know. Yeah, where their father grow up, how they grow up, go inside the bush, go up by the bush, go by the rivers, you know. Yes, enjoy Dominica. I tell you, when I was down there, 12 o'clock, it could be in the night, 1 o'clock in the morning, you could hear the guys them, they just come off sea, and they pushing their barrel with their fish, and they blowing, I think they blow in the air for you to know, they coming, the fisherman coming. Guys, I used to get up early in the morning, and we used to go down by Roseau, by the market. We used to go down there to buy fresh provision like dasheen, cucumber, and all of those things, and I used to come back and make some curry fish with some nice dasheen, and we used to go by the river, and we spend all day by the river, pack up our lunch bag all day, we're there by the river. Oh my god, Dominica is beautiful, and I cannot wait to go back down there. I'm going to wait until the baby gets a little big so he could understand and see and know everything, and then yeah, I'm bringing my children them there for them to see beautiful Dominica, where their father come from, where their father originate from. So as you can see, my soup is finished, so now I'm just going to turn off the heat and I'm going to plate it up. Yeah, so I'm just going to share me some.
That looks so good.
Yeah. Want some?
Yeah.
See how beautiful it looking, guys? Yes.
This is a masterpiece.
Guys, remember to like, to share, to hit that notification bell, and remember to put God first in everything you do. It's so good, guys. Look at this, just the broth alone. I will drink this every day. It's so good. I hope you try out this recipe.
Welcome, Mommy.
It's really good. Thank you. We're out, guys.